Let's now complete the assembly of this golden one and only traveling block, all handmade. Okay, and we will drive the Allen bolt in there. All handmade, no motorized machines. The golden traveling block, manufactured for this unique special day. The soft assembly. There you are. Cheers, guys. Ready to go. The one and only, the golden traveling block assembly. The one and only, the first ever manufactured by hand. And it's unique, excellent, and we're going to install it on the miniature land rig today.
Manufacturing the traveling block cable guard, and you can see now there's some filing going on, so we're just trying to make it as round as possible. We encountered some issues with the stability, so we decided.
So you can see we have fitted the new guard, and this will give it some more stability.
Chamfer a bit, and chamfer. Alright, so we cut it, and the marking looks good. Alright, now we will drill the hole here and secure this wire line or wire rope. When it's done, we will now marking, so we need to now drill the hole on. Good, and very nice. Running low. That's good job, eh? Perfect. Going out.
We are now ready to paint this traveling block. After designing it from a design perspective, we landed up in building this beautiful functional traveling block. The first coat of painting has commenced, and I'm going to reveal the color of this traveling block. It's going to be the first ever golden traveling block.
Paint, the first ever traveling block with golden paint. Lying there in the sun and drying the traveling block. And the first coat will be okay. The coat in place is looking excellent for me. And the guards are here. Pretty.